Here's the 16mm lens. It's smaller than I imagined. 10 megapixels though. It was outside, like in my mailbox, and I didn't want to like risk it getting damaged, like from change in temperature. So I was like, I gotta get that. So here it is. I'm gonna take some indoor shots, but tomorrow I'll take it outside. The cat sees like a reflection, he goes crazy. Anyway, yeah, there it is. Finally, the blue ring. I've seen it online. This may be the best lens that I have. 10 megapixel resolution, resolving power. I don't know. Another 4 hours later, just got this piece done. This is nice. It's like a complicated shape. I did screw up though. You can see a gap there. It's like a wall with no thickness, so I fixed it in design. I just extruded this edge, but I'll have to fix this one. Yeah, you can see the light through there. That's bad, but not a big deal. It's not like structural. Won't even notice it after I fill it in with something. This is a test right here. Oh yeah, it won't fit. I gotta cut that. This one goes in like this. That looks good. Yeah, it's flush and inside, so it's protected. Looks good. The front piece is a 9-hour print. Even rotating it like this way or this way, it's 9 hours. So I just went with the cleaner design. This way right here, printing it this way, 4 hours. This way, 7. It's like, nah. That's why it has this supports texture on it. This isn't terrible. Like the front of the camera is what you'll see the most externally. And here you can see the HQ Cam's tripod things in there. I had to use hot glue to fill in the gap. This is so like flimsy, but when it's actually part of the whole thing, it's solid. Like it's a box. You know, I think it's because of the corners. It's 0.1 inch thick. That's how thick the body is. Like this one is the same, and it's so strong. But this one is 2 pieces, not 3. Tomorrow I'll solder everything together. I won't have much time to program it. One thing I want to do is when I put it on a tripod, take the picture, it'll be timed because I want to get shots where it's not vibrating. I'm pretty sure that the automatic code is really susceptible to vibration. You have to have it like have a high shutter speed so it doesn't care when you move it, and that's all like programming. I gotta dig into that. I haven't spent that much time on programming. Like I've only done what I needed to use auto settings, but the camera could do a lot more if you program it better. But yeah, the front will be interesting because it'll have this thing on there, which is really ugly, but then you slide that over, which is the HQ cam, and then you have your lens in the front, so then it really looks like a camera. So here's the front plate that's printing. Sorry, that's dark. This thing is almost 10 hours long. See, it's 20% done. So yeah, hopefully that comes out perfect. It should. I mean, the Ender 3 Pro is pretty reliable. These are the parts that I have now. I printed the back and middle plate so I can do all the soldering. The front plate just holds the battery and the ribbon cable thing, bridge. So let's see how long this takes me to do. Yeah, so there it is, internals. When I clean this up in SketchUp, it removed one of the mounts. But I fixed it in the final design, but yeah, I didn't realize this till I printed it. That's alright, it still holds the Pi up. Really the only reason I make the Pi exposed is like, this is a computer, you know? Like, you could just plug a... Well, it's running a headless OS, but, you know, plug a monitor and keyboard and mouse into it. It doesn't seem right to just lock it away. I don't know. Yeah, so got this. I still have more to do. I gotta solder like a bridge board that, or a daughter board, I guess you'd say, that connects to all the buttons and then the display. That way the Pi isn't like permanently soldered in. So yeah, just still going. Okay, it's been like an hour. Wasn't solely spent on this. I dumped a box of screws. I had to go pick those up. But I've got the power system set up. You can see this is the middle layer. This guy over here is the charger slash BMS. So battery terminals are in the middle. Output is in the outside. You go to the DC-DC boost. So this is 5.07 volts out. So yeah, I'm just soldering it up. This sits right on there, and super glue keeps it in. Because it does get really hot where it like re-melts hot glue, so I'm not using hot glue to join it or hold it down. So unfortunately this project does take effort to make. I mean, it's not hard, it's just tedious. Like, you gotta bridge all the things together. Like here, I have to transfer the display pins to the detachable board here, and then I have to like route power to the buttons, the button board down there. And it just takes time. Unfortunately, it's not like that easy to make, where you just like, you know, like a breadboard or something. I don't know. Not even beyond that, like pieces that just snap together or no soldering required. So yeah, just keep that in mind if you try to make this project. You gotta sit down and solder. But this isn't as bad as like making your own Z80 or whatever. 6502 computer, like those have a lot of wire bridging. This only has like, I don't know, maybe 20 max wires to join. 20 to 30. Damn, this display is huge. I like it. You can see the green board under the buttons. It's possible I might cover those in electrical tape so it's black. I don't know. I do have to reprint this back at some point. It'll take like 7 hours and some minutes, so I won't be able to do it till next week. Look at this absolutely disgusting soldering job. Here I'm routing all the button power, so it just taps from the 3.3 volt 10K resistor standard button, goes to them, and then the other side you have to put it into the GPIO pin. But yeah, that's gross. These wires are pretty thick. Oh well. It looks like it's a nice day outside. I should go outside. Um, this is not even 50% done. I would cry if it failed somehow. So at this point, it's been soldered, everything's soldered together. Now I have to verify that all the buttons are connected. Turn it on, watch for any smoke. This is not programmed at all yet, so I'm just going to run some basic loops to check the button. Single loop. It's strip? What is that? Anyway, yeah, that was a pain to solder, but I think it's done. It could be better if you use like cable, but it's still like a lot of bending, so I don't know. I have to sneak the cable in there for the pie camera too. It does look legit though, I will say. At a cursory glance, like, that looks like it was made by a sentient person. Let's see. Yeah, display is really nice. It's right in there perfect. Has a good shape too. I like that little curved lip. That'll look better outside in light. God, it's like thundering outside. I'm like, please, power, do not go out. This is 96%. I started this like 10:30 this morning, and it's almost 8 o'clock. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. 99%. Come on, baby. Come on, come on. Oh my god, here it is. Da, da, da. Oh, looks good. Oh. Oh my god, and there's the stenciling. Modular. Why? Look at him, he's scared. What's wrong? Speak, lad. He doesn't like it when it thunders. He hides in the bathroom. Pathetic! Call yourself an advanced species? Wake! Oh. I don't think he could fit in my hand. Little ball. He's like 7 years old now, it's crazy. Time flies. Now I'm gonna assemble this. Alright, normally these supports just come out, but this one is really hard. Dude, is that hail? Jesus. Man, I hope my car isn't effed. Damn, I'm pretty sure that's hail. Oh my god. My car! Anyway, I've been trying to get this off and it's not coming off. Hopefully it comes out in one piece. Wow, listen to that, damn. Global warming, yo. Shit's real. Pretty sus. They said gorilla hail. It's like, holy. I'm still trying to get this off. Yeah, this is hard. Dude, that rain is nuts. They said like gorilla hail. Wow. I like feel it in the house. Holy cow. Alright, let's listen to this storm. Tornado! What does it say? Severe thunderstorm. Oh, that's it. Destructive baseball size hail. Take shelter in sturdy building away from windows. People and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Alright. My car! It's not even paid off. No mas. Meow. What? You scared? What are you saying, boy? English. English. Huh? You scared? You scared? Don't be scared. You know what I'm scared of. And I'm not sure what happened with this support structure. If I can just go straight down, grab it and pull it out, that's a lot more effective. See, I think it's these screws, the screw mount things. They're blocking them from getting pulled out. Damn, that's really bad. I got it out. Ah, man. I think I'll extend these things all the way down so they don't have to be supported. It was fine over here though. I'll extend them everywhere. But there it is. I did damage the edges, but this is for me. It looks really good though on the front. Look at that. Did I spell it right? Modular. Yeah. There's the sliding camera switch. So here it is. Unfortunately, printing it this way, it screwed up the edges due to the support material. So the screw holes don't work. Some of them broke off in the process of me removing the internal material. So I had to use super glue to join the front edge. It's supposed to be detachable, but I don't know. That was unfortunate. There's also the misalignment with the tripod mount. It sticks out a little bit beyond the lip, so I'll edit that in the design. Oh man, so sad. It doesn't have a good seal like the back plate does. There's like this visible gap. Guess as long as it doesn't fall apart. I don't know what to do about that. Because if you print it the other way, then the front looks ugly. So that's the front. And if you print it the other way, it'll look like this. Which I guess you can't even tell the difference, so why not? It looks good though, it's like bulky. Oh man, that seal. The front plate doesn't really do much. It just holds the battery, so you could always redo that. But it's a long print. 9 hours. Ugh.